Hello everyone, today we are building a gaming PC to finally replace my trash can of a PC. It barely runs Google Chrome, so yeah, I just can't wait to get started. So we're gonna start off with all of the parts. So for the CPU, we went with the AMD Athlon XP Ryzen 5 3600X. For the motherboard, we're pairing it with a B450 Steel Legend, which I think will be pretty nice. And to cool this thing doesn't come with a cooler. I ordered it without a cooler somehow. RTX 34 Freezer Duo. No, RTX Freezer 34 Esports Duo. Now for storage, 1 terabyte of NVMe storage. This is ADATA SX 8200 Pro. This is really fast. I'm currently running on a hard drive, and this will be like day and night difference. For RAM, we're going with this T-Force Delta RGB white sticks of RAM. This is really nice looking RAM and also great performers. Now the GPU, we're going with the one, the only GT710 from Asus. That's trash. That's why we have this. This is the GameWorld RTX 3070. This is Thermaltake's H200 DG RGB and Snow version, or rather white. And to power everything, Gigabyte B700H. This is a 80 plus bronze modular unit. Should be plenty of power for these components. Okay, so let's start this build. Whoa. Alright. Are we ready? Oh. The fans aren't spinning. On. Oh, there they are. Oh, it works. It works. Oh, there we go. We got into BIOS. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. And Now enjoy some RGB clips of this PC.